the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Hi guys, welcome back. So for this tutorial I'll be using a body wave clipping extension from Eayonhair. Guys, I am 100% in love with the texture of this hair. This is some serious high quality human hair, guys. The color is natural color and it came in 2 bundles and the length is 20 inches. Guys, this clipping extension are very easy to install. Like any beginner can actually try this hairstyle. It is not time consuming and the process is so easy. Just open up the clips and gently clip it down on your hair, and that is all, guys. So I'll go ahead and leave all of the details of this unit in the description box, so guys you can go check it out.
Goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong when all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never